Moving on to our next question that comes from Tatum. The insurance company has offered me a settlement. Should I accept? How do I know their offer is a good one? And again, that question comes from Tatum. Rocky, what's your advice for Tatum?
Well, I mean, after doing thousands of these cases, both as a plaintiff's lawyer, and I even had a year stint as a defense lawyer, but like Patrick, I saw the light. You start to figure out how these cases are valued. And, they're going to look at your type of injuries. They're going to look at, do you have any future damages or medical bills down the road? Do you have any lost wages? And do you have permanent injuries? And I really don't think you can settle your case unless it's just a very minor case where you are totally resolved. If you have any real injuries, I really don't think you can settle unless you've had an expert like a life care planner or a vocational expert and a medical doctor evaluate what the future holds for you. Because if you settle your case and you don't take that into account, A, the insurance company is not going to just voluntarily pay you for it. And B, you're not going to know what that number might be in the future. And C, you're not going to have that treatment accounted for in 5-10 years down the road when you need it. And so you better account for it in the settlement, because if you don't, you're going to get way less than you should. Because Patrick, you get one shot at this. And if you don't get as much as you can, I'm not saying being greedy, I'm saying getting what you had taken from you, not what somebody's given to you, but what was taken from you, your health, you're going to be out of luck.
That's absolutely right, Rocky. And there's a flip side to that as well that's very important to know. And I believe I speak for Rocky and myself when I say this. If you call one of us and you've been offered a settlement, and I'm going to go through everything that I would like to know to determine whether or not that's a good settlement. If it's a small claim, if you don't have any long-lasting injuries, if you just went to be examined and you were fine, and I believe the amount of money they're offering is sufficient, we're going to give you that advice for free. We're not going to come in here and say, hey, I can get you that same amount if you pay me. I'm going to say, no, I think you actually have done a good job. I think that's a good number. And it gives you some confidence and reliance that the number you're getting offered is a good number without having to pay an attorney. So, if you call one of us just to talk to us about it, and you answer questions and we're satisfied, we're going to tell you we think you've got a good offer and to go ahead and take it without actually hiring one of us. That's a free phone call. I would always make it.